Alright, welcome back to Arovic Online Maths. Today we want to look at a question that has to do with properties of a circle. Now we have a question on the board here. It says the center of the circle ABC is O. If its radius is 8 centimeter and angle ACB, which is here, is 60 degrees. Calculate A, the length of the chord AB and the perpendicular line OM. Now this is what is called a chord. As part of the properties of a circle, a chord is a line that divides a circle into two unequal parts, or let me say into two different segments. Now, how do we do that? Now, the formula for the length of chord is given as 2r sine theta all over 2. So there is a direct formula for the length of chord. But the only thing in this diagram here compared to my solution is that the theta here is standing for the angle that is subtended at the center of the circle. And if you look at the diagram, we do not know the angle subtended at the center of that circle. And this leads us to circle theorem. The first theorem of circle says the angle subtended at the center of the circle is twice that which any part of the circumference. That means the twice of this angle here will give me the angle subtended at this center O. That means the theta itself is going to be 60 degrees times 2. That will be what? 120 degrees. So that will be the angle that is subtended at the center of the circle, which is stand for our theta, under the formula for the length of chord, which is 2r sine theta over 2. So let's go ahead and solve that. That will be 2 times 8 times sine 120 divided by 2. So we now have 16 multiplied by sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60 from trigonometric identity? Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 8. That means the length of that chord will be 8 root 3 centimeter. You can decide to leave it in decimal using your calculator. Now, the second question, the perpendicular line OM. So I will need to bring out the triangle AOB out of the circle. Triangle AOB out of the circle. So let me sketch that one out. Triangle AOB. Don't forget our angle O is 120 degrees. And this is line OM. That line divides line AB into two equal parts. So we just calculated the length of our AB as 8 root 3. That means the total length here is 8 root 3. That means length AM and length MB will be the half of 8 root 3. That is 8 root 3 divided by 2. So we have 4 root 3 here. We have another 4 root 3 here. And this line, dividing this angle into 2, we have this side of this line as 60 degree as another 60 degree. So let me bring out triangle OMB. Triangle OMB. Triangle OMB. So this is 4 root 3. This is 60 degree. And this is our OM. So from our trigonometrical ratio, using SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent, that means tan 60 will be 4 root 3 divided by what? Divided by OM. So cross multiply, we have OM to be 4 root 3 divided by tan 60. 4 root 3 divided by tan 60. Then what will now be the value of tan 60 from our trigonometrical ratio? Tan 60 will be root 3. Will be root 3. So if you divide it, that means like OM equals what? 4 centimeter. So alternatively, for the length of chord, another way you can do it is to bring out the triangle AOB. This is 8 centimeter. Obviously, the radius of the circle 8 centimeter. And we know this is 120. That's 120. If you scroll this down, we got this as 8 root 3. That's 4 root 3. 4 root 3. So if we bring out one part of the triangle, 8 and 4 root 3, Then this is our OM. Let me call it X. Then applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we can also get the value of 4 centimeter. Thank you very much.